Ever wondered why the world is so abuzz about the birds and the bees? Today, we dive deeper into the fascinating world of human sexuality, debunking the myths and shedding light on the truths. Buckle up, because it's going to be an enlightening journey. First, we need to understand that sex is not just a physical act, it's a complex interplay of biology, psychology, and sociology. It's about connection, communication, and mutual satisfaction. It's a fundamental part of being human. There's a common myth that men think about sex every 7 seconds. Well, that's simply not true. While sex is an important aspect of life, it doesn't dominate our thoughts every waking moment. According to a study conducted at Ohio State University, men think about sex on average 19 times a day, while women think about it 10 times a day. Another myth is that older people don't have or enjoy sex. Quite the contrary, many older adults continue to have a satisfying sex life. A survey from the National Poll on Healthy Aging found that 2/3 of people aged 50 to 80 are still interested in sex, and more than half are sexually active. Ever heard that oysters are an aphrodisiac? While they are rich in zinc, which is essential for testosterone production and reproductive health, there's no scientific evidence to prove that they boost sexual desire. So, the next time you're at a seafood restaurant, remember it's more about the ambiance and less about the oysters. There's also the belief that size matters. In reality, it's not about the size but how you use it. Emotional connection and communication often play a more significant role in sexual satisfaction than physical attributes. And the myth that real men don't need to use condoms, that's not only false but also dangerous. Condoms are essential in preventing sexually transmitted infections and unplanned pregnancies, regardless of how manly one might feel. So, what have we learned today? That sex is a complex and fascinating aspect of human life, encompassing more than just the physical act. We've debunked the myths that men think about sex every 7 seconds, that older people don't enjoy sex, that oysters are aphrodisiacs, that size matters, and that real men don't use condoms. Remember, sex is about communication, connection, and mutual satisfaction. It's about understanding and respecting each other's desires and boundaries. And most importantly, it's about staying safe and healthy. So the next time you hear a sex-related myth, don't just accept it at face value. Dig a little deeper, do some research, and find the truth. Because knowledge is power, and the more we know about our bodies and our sexuality, the better we can navigate this fascinating journey called life.